Hi guys, welcome back to Codemaster Coach, your medical coding tutor. Guys, today we're still building our coding toolbox, and today we're talking about medically unlikely edits. MUEs, medically unlikely edits. And just know that CMS developed medically unlikely edits, MUEs, to reduce paid claim errors for Part B claims. An MUE is a HCPCS CPT code that has a maximum unit of service that a provider could report under most circumstances for a single beneficiary on a single date of service. All HCPCS CPT codes do not have an MUE. So, the NCCI, remember in my previous video I discussed NCCI, Nationally Correct Coding Initiatives? Well, they have a MUE program that prevents payment for an inappropriate quantity of units on the same day for a single date of service. An MUE is a maximum number of units under most circumstances reportable by the same provider for the same patient on the same date of service. An Excel spreadsheet of most of these MUEs is located on the CMS website. So back to our www.cms.gov website, and if you put in the search box MUEs, medically unlikely edits, it'll pull up that Excel spreadsheet. Add-on code edits consist of a listing of HCPCS Level 2 and CPT add-on codes with their respective primary code. An add-on code is eligible for payment only if the primary code is eligible for payment. Also, there are 3 table sets of edits for MUEs. There's durable medical equipment, facility, and practitioner. It's important to access the relevant edit set because the edits vary among sets. Physicians and other qualified healthcare practitioners use the practitioner table. Some MUEs remain confidential out of concern for potential abuse and are not published. So just know that not all MUEs will be advertised or published on that CMS website, because if you knew you could get away with assigning that code so many times a day, most physicians will take advantage of it. But again, medically unlikely edits are really just edits that should not take place. Let me show you an example. I'm going to pull out my CPT code book. All right, now let's look at the code 17000. If you look down at code 17000, we're talking about destruction of benign or pre-malignant lesions. Now 17000 says destruction, whether it's laser surgery, electrosurgery, cryosurgery, chemosurgery, or surgical curettement, pre-malignant lesions, and the key here is now highlighted. First lesion. If it's the first lesion, you should be using code 17000. The only time you can use code 17003 if you're identifying code removal of the 2nd through the 14th lesion. So again, it goes back to what I consider the mother code: destruction, whether it's laser, surgical, electrosurgery, cryosurgery, chemosurgery, surgical curettement. You use the first, for the first lesion removal, you use that 17000, and any additional from 2nd through 14th, you have to use that add-on code 17003. But notice when we get to 17004, it says destruction. Again, laser surgery, electrosurgery, cryosurgery, chemosurgery, surgical curettement, pre-malignant lesion, 15 or more lesions. So if at one particular surgery your physician removes 15 or more lesions, you should be using that 17004 code and not 17000 or 17003. But in order to use that 17003 code, you have to use that 17000 first for the first lesion, and then you can use the 17003 for the 2nd through the 14th. But again, if it's greater than 15, just assign the 17004. And just as I gave you that rule for number 1 lesion, 17000, 2nd through the 14th lesion, 17003, and then anything greater than 15, just use the 17004 code. Those are examples of MUEs where the number of lesions removed comes into play. You cannot use these codes any other way. You can't just jump and use 17003 for removal of lesions 2nd through 14 without identifying one. Okay? But you can't use these and then turn and identify 17004 in addition to the 17000 and 17003. That's an example of an MUE based on the number. Okay? We'll talk a little more about MUEs in my next video, but I wanted to give you an example to refer to when it comes to medically unlikely edits. Again, go to the CMS website, put MUEs in the search box, and let's study together. All right, guys, we're still continuing to build our coding toolbox, and these are rules that let us know what you can and cannot do with your coding. Thanks, guys. I'll see you in the next one.